pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Greg Agasiabo Aritona. On behalf of the graduating class 2024, I would like to say a few words to you today. We are extremely delightful as we graduated from kindergarten. First, we'd like to thank our parents for making us part of this school. For the past 3 years, we have learned many things and made new friends. We would like to thank some teachers as they help us grow in many ways. We have learned the alphabet and numbers, how to count and how to add. We also learned how to draw and paint, learned some important values such as respect, how to take turns and how to share. Thank you teachers for helping us achieve our next level of education. Now we are ready to meet the challenges of primary school. Thank you very much. God bless.